morning and welcome to a new sunny day here at Koh Tao in Thailand. I'm not feeling completely well today, but it shouldn't skip all the plans we have for today. So we are renting a motorbike today and we're going around Koh Tao here and looking at all the beauty and all of the sights of the island. So yeah, it's gonna be an awesome day today. But first we need to find a snorkel to Catherine here. I think we are at the right place with all of these diving shops. Oh. Okay, so we got the motorbike here. So this is our first stop today. This is in Tanote Bay, and there should be some awesome snorkeling and a lot of coral reefs. Okay, so welcome to the beautiful beach here on Tanote Bay. Also a very beautiful beach. Some very blue water out here. Pretty sure there's some awesome snorkeling here. So first here we'll go out to do some snorkeling out here, and after that we'll make some videos. Unfortunately I forgot the GoPro, so the underwater videography from here in Koh Tao and have to wait a little bit.
Cambridge to Boston, lives in a world she's lost in, victim of compromise.
So that was Tanote Bay, a nice little bay area with a nice little beach and some reasonable snorkeling. It wasn't the best, but it was okay. There was some tropical fish and some a lot of dead corals. So yeah, that was a little bit of a shame. But we are moving on now. We are going to hunt some viewpoints here in Koh Tao. So yeah, let's hit the bike again. Okay, so we are here at the John Swan viewpoint, and there's a bit of a hike to come up here. I've been here before and it's probably one of the most beautiful viewpoints I have ever seen, so I can't wait to go back. Last time we were here, a guy sat inside here and charged 50 baht per person to come up to the viewpoint. And there's no one now, so apparently it's free now.
Wasted moments, full of potential at torment, an angel in disguise.
So John Swan viewpoint, just as beautiful as last time, and then yeah, we are moving on. Let's go. Oh. So we're just on our way to catch some dinner, but I think there is an awesome sunset going on out here at the beach, so we are just going down to look at that, and then we will have some dinner. Yay! So that was all for today's video. I spent the whole evening editing and making new videos for you guys. So yeah, see you tomorrow. We'll do something very fun tomorrow actually. We'll go to Koh Nang Yuan, which is the island just beside Koh Tao here. And Koh Nang Yuan is maybe the most beautiful island in the entire world. So yeah, see you tomorrow guys, bye bye.